Hello, here I am with the first episode of Sip Easy. Are you searching for the right fund for your SIP? And are you completely overwhelmed with the overflow of suggestions? But before you start the process of picking the correct fund for your SIP, you need to go through these 4 key steps. Your financial goal or investment objective is your aspiration or a target that you are aiming to achieve over a period of time. Your risk profile is the amount of risk you are willing to take with your investment. Only once your goals and risk profiles are locked, you can determine the asset class or the mix that can help you reach your goals effectively. This is key to minimize your risk and potentially increase your gains to be able to decide on a suitable mutual fund category. The next crucial step is to select the fund house basis these key factors. Ensure to keep a lookout for long-term returns and not just most recent returns while selecting the scheme. Now you are ready to pick the scheme categories you wish to invest in. Here are some indicators that will help you in selecting a correct category to start your SIP with. So remember, just like in life, opting for the right choice can make all the difference to you fulfilling your goals. That's why we say, Zindagi bhi SIP ki tarah hai. Go ahead and click on the link in the description to know more about SIP, an investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.